Here comes trouble. Long ago, Pandora and her brother Epi were playing outside when something strange fell out of the sky and landed at Epi's feet. It was a small box that glowed green and purple. Epi eagerly bent down to pick it up, but Pandora held him back. Be careful, she warned. I had a dream about a box like this one. In the dream, a wise looking man appeared and warned me not to open it. "Oh, come on, Pandora," Eppie begged. "How much danger could there be in one little box? Besides, I bet there's a treasure inside. I want to find out." "It's better to be safe than sorry," Pandora warned. "Let's go home right now and leave the box behind." But as soon as Pandora turned to leave, Eppie quickly opened the box. Suddenly, the sky was filled with swarms of bugs. He slammed the box shut and started swatting at them. Pandora swung around in horror. "Eppie, what have you done?" she cried out. Eppie didn't answer, since he was still trying to get the bugs away. At last, the bugs flew off. Only then did Eppie and Pandora hear a strange voice coming from the closed box. "Don't be afraid," the voice whispered. "I'm here to help you." Pandora wondered if she should run away. But then she thought that nothing could be worse than the awful little bugs. So she slowly opened the box. A tiny green and purple fairy flew out. "I am Hope," the fairy said, looking at Eppie. "You just let out trouble, all the bad things of the world. Now I am here to bring comfort to the world." Eppie bowed his head and looked at Pandora with sadness. "I'm sorry I didn't listen," he said.